Morning, guys. It is Thursday, May 6th, I believe. Season's been open for 7 days now, and 6 days now in New York State. That's where we're at this morning, so hoping to get our second tag filled, and then we can focus on Pennsylvania. So hunting a spot this morning we've never hunted. There's been 2 gobblers out here just about every single day that have been just strutting back and forth with hens. Hoping we can get onto it. So we know there's at least 2 birds here, so hopefully we can get on one of them. So we're going to get up in here and set up on the edge of this field to start with and listen and kind of figure out where they're at, or maybe we'll be able to stay in the same spot we already started in. So hopefully we can make it happen this morning. It seems like it's going to be a pretty good morning. Yesterday was a wash, so we just kind of drove around and looked in the fields and see what was out. So hopefully this morning's good and all goes well. So stay tuned and maybe we'll have a bird on the ground. He came in moving. Holy cow, guys. He doesn't have a huge beard on him. At least it didn't look it. It might just be wet. But holy cow. He came in from this side. I wasn't expecting a bird over on this side. I thought for sure they'd be over here. And he gobbled on the roost way over there and kind of threw me off a little bit. So I had to make an adjustment in my setup here and get turned around this tree. And that hen started yelping and she was up there by him. I don't know if they were together, but even when he just came down, he didn't seem interested in her. He was coming straight to me, so I don't know if he already bred her or just wasn't interested in her or what the deal was, but he came right down to me. I mean, shot him at 25 yards, and I was trying to get him in front of the camera because he was coming to the right here. I didn't think I was going to get a shot, and he got 15 yards and started getting nervous. And I was like, I gotta shoot. And he started walking left and swung and shot him. So he's down in the field. Another beautiful morning. So it is 6:02. So that's tagged out in New York, baby. 2 birds in New York before 6:10. So I'm glad we were able to get out this morning. Now we can focus on Pennsylvania and going out with some other people. So. Well, let's go check him out. See what we got ourselves into. Second here. Alright. Relax. He's just about done, I think, here. Yeah, you can see my setup. I was tucked right back in these pines here. I was just hidden right in there. He came from over in that field there somewhere up on that ridge. So doesn't have big hooks or a big beard, but he's a mature bird, and that's what it's all about, is getting on a mature bird and making it happen. So I can't tell if he's done it or not. Holy cow. Yikes, he is flopping like crazy. I should relax for a second. That hen's still going off. She's not happy. She's cutting it up there. Alright, I think he's done. I think he's all done. Oh. Let me show you guys what he looks like here. What a beauty. Big old pasture bird. Well guys, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna get a tag on him and maybe sit for a little bit and enjoy the sunrise and listen to the other birds that have been gobbling. So, till the next time.